Hi, my name's Morgan Aratola. I live in Ketchum, Idaho, and have kind of spent most of my life in Oregon and Idaho, um, with some traveling and living odd random places mixed in there. I traveled a lot in my late teens, early 20s after high school for ski racing. So I spent a lot of time in Europe and New Zealand and kind of following the World Cup circuit and came back to school when I was 27, got my degree in respiratory therapy. So currently I'm working in Ketchum at a hospital as a respiratory therapist. I am taking this course as well as biology through University of New England and hope to apply to PA school in the spring. I still need a few more things, but I'm heading that path. A little bit more about me when I'm not working or now studying. I love sports and ski a lot, alpine ski, backcountry ski, Nordic ski. And in the summer, I um, do kind of anything outdoors, biking. Trail running's my favorite thing to do. Um, if I'm not outside, I like to cook. It's currently a very snowy day, so after school stuff, I'll probably cook up a big dinner. I live with my mom right now to save a little money, and I have a fur baby. His name's Brew. He's a little French bulldog. He's probably running around here somewhere. But I'm excited to get going on these courses and meet everyone and just keep learning. Biochemistry wasn't a class we had to have for respiratory therapy, so it'll be a good new adventure. So I'm glad to meet everyone and see you guys on the discussion board.